Did he try to explain the blood?
His mother says he works in an abattoir.
This is it. This is the evidence we needed. Well done, Reinhard.
And what about motive?
The man's clearly insane.
Insane is not a catch-all, Inspector. Even the most disturbed mind has its own kind of logic.
Anything else to add before we charge him, Doctor?
The killer exhibited what I can only describe as two opposing personalities. Extreme brutality, yes, but also a kind of love. The way he cleansed the corpse of the youngest victim.
He visited the brothel every day.
Exactly. Love, obsession. But the other half is missing.
What are you saying?
I'm not convinced he's the killer.
I've got a suspect in custody downstairs, with blood sprayed around his damn apartment. We know he was on the scene. Why are you so keen to let him go?
Why are you so keen to charge him?
God, you're still insufferable. People are scared. We needed to make an arrest.
Look, I admit, he's gruesome. He's unprepossessing, he's slow. He plays into all our prejudices. It doesn't make him a killer, though.
Doctor, this is my domain. Thank you, but I didn't invite you.